Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I am filming a what I eat in a day video because I really like filming these videos because I love food and I love sharing my food with you guys. Sorry, I've got hiccups. Just been filming all morning. Instead of a what I eat in a day, I'm going to do a what I eat in 2 days or maybe even 3 days because I have some nice meals coming up. It's currently 1:15. All I've had as substance today is a cup of tea because I just wanted to get cracking on with filming. But I'm going to make some lunch now and it's going to be a beast of a lunch because if you haven't already seen, G and I do cheese toasty competition videos and he did his cheese toasty video yesterday. So we have so many leftover ingredients from that cheese toasty that I'm going to use for lunch. So much meat, so much cheese. He got some peppers. I mean, if you want to see the toasty he made, then I'll leave a link to that video down below. But yeah, I'm basically going to make a massive fuck off sandwich with all the ingredients he got. God, this is so much meat he bought. He got mortadella, which is delicious, bresaola, salami, and he also got a selection of cheeses. I'm not entirely sure what this is. I know that one of them is like a nutty Jarlsberg and the other one's like a mozzarella, 2 mozzarellas. So yeah, I'm going to use everything here, tomato and also some capers, and put them all in a sandwich in this sliced focaccia bread. Also going to use a little bit of mustard as well instead of butter. So we've also got some of these roasted red peppers, so I added some of that and this is what it looks like. I'm so excited for this. I'm worried it might be a little bit dry because all I've got in terms of liquid is some cheese and mustard, but I might add some sriracha as well, and I guess I could add some mayo. Oh my god, this is so good. I'm gonna go and eat this at my desk. Outfit change. My lunch was amazing. Sriracha honestly makes everything amazing. I never really was into spicy food until like a year ago. Even now I wouldn't say I'm into spicy food. Like when I go to Nando's I order mango and lime rather than medium or hot. But yeah, sriracha just it's like almost like a really intense garlicky hotness, and it just adds so much to every single dish. So massive fan of that. I'm now just having some squash. I'm not a massive lover of water. I find it really difficult, like I always forget to drink water throughout the day. I'm fine with like tea, I have a lot of tea, but water I'm not so good at. So I found the best way for me to personally drink more water is just to add squash because it makes it a little bit more interesting. And I know it's like added sugar that I don't necessarily need, but if it gets me drinking more water, I don't mind. And my favourite at the moment is this Fruit Creations peach and raspberry, really nice, and it does say no added sugar as well. And I've got one of these hydration drink things which tells me how much I should be drinking every day. So it's like 8 till 9, 9 till 10, and then you refill when you get to 12 and then you start again. And I'm massively behind on this today, but hopefully I'll drink 2 of these by the end of the day. It is 6:20. I am going to bake some banana bread, and whilst that's in the oven, I'm going to cook our dinner for the evening. So let's start with the banana bread. I'm just putting my oven on. I'm basically making banana bread because I have some bananas that need using and I don't want them to go to waste. And banana bread is one of my favourite desserts. So let me get all the ingredients out. Mashing bananas.
Look at all these sexy lights.
So I'm prepping all my ingredients before putting them all together because it's just easier, isn't it? So I need 150 caster sugar, 140 grams. Hey babe. 140 cream cream it together, babe. The melted butter to the caster sugar. This is a load of filth, isn't it? 2 beaten eggs. Baking is shit because you just need so many bowls, don't you? Oh yeah. Oh my god, this smells amazing. Here we go. I haven't got like a bread loaf, so I'm using just a square tin, but this is going to go in the oven now. My only concern is that I haven't mashed the bananas up like enough, but if there's lumps of banana in there, it might be nice. And for dinner, we are making a fish curry. I haven't made one of these in a while, but we had some fish in our freezer that we hadn't used up yet, so we thought that this might be a really good way to use it. So we have some hake fillets and also some cod fillets. So nice fresh fish. I've got red onion, garlic, tomatoes, ginger, lime, some veg, coriander and lemongrass, some rice, chopped tomatoes, coconut milk, and I thought I'd add some chickpeas in there as well just to use them up. I'm going to be kind of following a recipe and kind of winging it. This is one that I've used before a long time ago and I remember it being really delicious, but yeah, I'm kind of just going to see how it goes. So I'm frying some mustard seeds with ginger, garlic and toasted sesame oil. I'm going to add some onions. Onions and lemongrass sticks, which I've like bashed around to let out some flavour. I think that might be a lot, but oh well. So the curry is cooking, it's brewing away, and I've also got some rice on the go. And for the fish, I just covered them in flour and then popped them on top of the curry. This is what it's looking like now. I've also got some mange tout and baby corn. Also, the cake is out and it smells incredible, so I'm just letting that cool down. Oh my god, I'm well up for that. And I just popped to the shops to get some mango chutney. So I found these in the shop the other day and I thought it would be so fun to make our own poppadoms with this meal. So we're going to do that now. So we've just put some sunflower oil in a frying pan and we're going to do this. Just going to check if it's hot enough. First little poppadom. Look how, oh no. It was in there for too long and it wasn't hot enough. Reject. I'm gonna do two at one time. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh wow, didn't even need that. Oh no, oh no. Your face. That was so quick. I hope they're good. God, you've got to be so quick with them. We are done. This is it. We've got our little mini poppadoms with some mango chutney. We've got our fish curry topped with coriander and a squeeze of lime juice. Bon appetit, babe.
Can't wait.
So dinner was nice. I would say that going forward we should have used like a actual curry paste because I just used a load of spices and like lemongrass and all that jazz, but it wasn't, I don't know, it just wasn't, it was nice. The rice was lovely, and our poppadoms were quite nice with some mango chutney. I've just filled up my water bottle for the second time, so I'm on target now. Look, I've got a drink. We're going to watch an episode of Girls.
Does that tell you what time
to drink it by?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna watch an episode of Girls and then we're gonna have some banana bread. We have grilled the banana bread, put the tiniest bit of butter on and sprinkled some cinnamon on. So this is a nice little dessert. And I've also got a decaf oat milk tea. And I can't pause the TV for some reason. I also went to the shop and got some Oreos, so I might have an Oreo as well. Don't judge. day 2 of what I eat in a day. So far today, it's been pretty much the same as yesterday. I had an oat milk cup of tea for breakfast. I'm just not a massive breakfast person. I am when I'm in the like routine of making overnight oats, which I am going to do another what I eat in a day. So if you want to see my overnight oats and that kind of whole thing, subscribe, keep watching. But yeah, unless I have like specific breakfast stuff in, I'm not very good with it, and I do just quite like a cup of tea. It's lunchtime and surprise, I'm gonna have the exact same lunch I had yesterday. I'm gonna try and use up some more of those meats and cheeses. I am normally a little bit healthier than this for lunch. I normally like to cook like a salad or prawns or couscous, but I haven't done that in a while, so that will be something again that I will show you in another one of these videos. Quite a boring day. I'm going to be making a spaghetti bolognese for dinner tonight. I actually can't even remember last time I made a spag bowl. It must have been like 5 years ago, but I'm really looking forward to that. I'm also just booked on to a gym class tonight at 7 because I'm just feeling really shit about my body at the moment, so I thought I'm going to get myself moving, so I booked on for a step class. No idea what that is, but it might be fun. Here we go. I added sriracha inside this time, but this looks really good. It is now, my microwave isn't telling the time anymore. What time is it? It's 4:45 and I'm getting bored of work now, so I'm going to take a little break to prepare tonight's dinner. As I said, we're having spag bowl, and I thought I'd put it on the slow cooker whilst I go to the gym this evening. So I'm going to prepare it now on the stove, and once all the meat is browned and everything, I'll put it in the slow cooker so it can develop over the time. Here are my ingredients. I got red onion, garlic, I got some more tomatoes in the fridge, a carrot, I love a carrot in a spag bowl, some mince, Liam herrings, we got some red wine, spaghetti, and I also kind of want to experiment with putting some dark chocolate in there. Ignore that bit. We got some 90% cocoa, which is good as a snack, but oh my god, it's so dark, so I thought I'd grate a tiny bit of that in as well. I have got about 45 minutes before I need to leave for the gym, but I'm feeling quite peckish, so I'm gonna have an orange before I go as a snack. I am back from the gym and I've washed my hair. I drank loads of water there, which was good. Oh god. And we've just been heating up the spaghetti, and we've just added a shit ton of hot sauce and Tabasco to our spag bowl because it needed something extra, didn't it? I've been finding that this week, like I've been finding that my flavours aren't up to scratch, and I don't know what it is. I don't know if I'm not using enough salt or she's adding a tiny bit more wine. So I opened a red wine to go in the pasta, so we're drinking some as well. So yeah, we've got a glass of Merlot, which is nice, and a spag bowl. Yeah, gonna eat this. Yeah, this is delicious now. We've added a tiny bit more red wine and some hot sauce, and it's really good. We both had the ingenious idea at the exact same time about Nutella and banana bread.
The smell is like 90% of it.
Yeah, the smell is incredible, isn't it? I could
I just want to wear it like a nose bag, like that.
like a nose
walk around like...
Nutella is so good. That for me, please. Oh, this is dirty. I am having a peppermint tea, and we're gonna get into bed. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It hasn't been the most inspiring, I don't think, but hopefully you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon.